been keeping track over the past few years or so, but my life has gotten more and more increasingly crazy over the past 6 years. And that is definitely one adjective of many I can use to describe my life, and none of them, even added all together, would ever seem like they were enough to describe it. But I've always loved to sing. That's always been my thing, and I'm such a planner that that's not the kind of thing that actually happens to real people, right? That's something you see on TV, and that's something that happens to other people, but I've just always loved to sing. I was going to school to be a journalist, which is a bit ironic because most people scare me now. But I was in my last semester, and I saw that there were auditions going on for a show called American Idol, and I thought, what have I got to lose? Why not? I'm about to graduate and get out into the real world, whatever that may be, and why not? Let's go for it. My mom drove like 7 or 8 hours, and the rest is history. And it's so crazy how one last-minute decision to go try out for something that you have virtually zero chance of winning can lead someone like me to some place like this tonight. The moral of the story is go for it, whatever it might be, just go for it. And throughout the past 6 years, I've been able to go all over the place and visit places I never thought I'd even, I didn't know anything about, and I've gotten to know a lot of wonderful people, got to make 3 albums that I'm so very proud of, and throughout the whole thing, I learned that I also love to write music just about as much as I love to sing it, so that's a pretty cool thing. And this next song is definitely one that, as a writer and as a singer, I'm extremely proud of. But most of all, I'm proud of it as a person. I absolutely love singing this song, and it means so much to me. So I hope you guys can listen to it and open your hearts and find something about it that you like too. It's called Temporary Home.